Magandang umaga guys. So ako po si Louie Chris aka Louis Vlogging. At ngayong araw is meron tayong mga task dito sa bahay. At yun, meron na tayong lulutuin dito. So meron tayong pritong isda na nakaluto na. So anytime na ma-complete ko na ito is kakain na tayo ng almusal, breakfast, at sunod is dyan na mag-start ang aking trabaho. So, bali helper lang ko dito ni mama, always helper at my side. So if anytime goes wrong kay mama is mayroong backup. So yun lang. So standby again. So ito ang aming almusal guys, pinakamasarap na pagkain, pritong isda. Saya na kami dito basta mayroong pritong isda at kanin. Yes, happy na. So right now guys, I'm done cleaning all of this. There, as you can see, all of the there, and over right there at the front of the house, over right there. I already clean by using this. So yeah, thankfully, so it's a very good time to relax over right there. And yeah, I'm just relax here currently. So nice one. What's up guys? So this is afternoon, 3:32 in the afternoon Philippine time. Yeah, it's going to sunset this time, so I'm going to enjoy my afternoon coffee. Look at that, so yummy. Alright, that's it.